Okay, hello guys. So this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it's been locked by the micloud. Okay, so in this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock bootloader respawn using a instant way. Okay, unofficial way, so we can unlock respawn, so we can flash the custom recovery and then flash the custom ROM. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is make sure that the phone is not stolen. Okay. So use this tutorial for a good cause. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Bob. As I said before in the intro, we have a Redmi Note 5 Pro that has been locked by the micloud. Okay, the user forgot the phone, the password, and doesn't have any number. And make sure that the phone is not stolen. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to open the case. You can find the tutorial in YouTube. Okay, be careful with the fingerprint right here. After that, make sure you have removed the cable connector, and then you need to make a test point. Okay, the two dots. Okay, basically you just need to connect the two dots and then plug in to the USB cable until it reaches the bootloader 908. Okay, so let's get started. And okay, this is the picture of the test point. Okay, it's kind of hard from my position, so I will do a test point and then continue this video. Okay, before we continue, I just want to show you the bootloader status from this phone, from the Fastboot. Okay, just turn off the phone by unplug the cable connector. Okay, and then press the volume down and power button. Here you go, and let's open the command line. Okay, this is not necessary. I just want to show you that the phone is still in lock bootloader. You can see right here the device unlock is still false. It means that we haven't unlocked this phone. Okay, and we can see the code name right here, the whyred. Whyred is the code name for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, then let's switch the screen again and just turn it off by unplug the USB battery connector. Okay, now we are in the download mode. You can see right here it is read the bootloader 908 on COM 8. Okay. And for the next step is let's open the welcome flash loader. You will see the screen and load the firmware. Okay, we're using the Chinese version 9.6.3.0. Okay, let's paste the path, select image, select, and let's load the firehorse. Okay, this is using the special firehorse. Where is it? Okay, okay, this one, we're going to use this one. Okay, let's paste it and select this one. Okay, this is modify Firehorse, so we don't need me account. And then make sure you are in the download mode. Okay, let's hit the ideal place, and we're ready to go. Okay, this takes time, so I will skip this one. Okay, now we're done. It takes about 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay. Okay, and then after it's finished flashing, you need to go to the Fastboot mode. Okay, by pressing the volume down and power button, and let's switch the screen. Now let's open the Mi Unlock tools. When you open the tools, it will show us in Chinese language. Okay, so first step is hit this button. It means that check connection. It will show the serial number of the Fastboot. Okay, and then we need to press the second button. It means that unlock. Okay, now you can see it's shown a green button right here, and our phone is now has been unlocked. Okay, it will format the internal data. Okay, you can see right here we are in the unlock mode, so the phone is already unlocked. Okay, I don't want to wait to the home screen. Okay, let's just force the phone to boot into the Fastboot again. Okay, let's check the boot status. Like usual, volume down and power button. Here we go. Let's switch again. Close this one and let's open the command line. We want to check the bootloader status. And you can see right here our bootloader is now changing to true. It means we have successfully unlocked. Okay, you need another proof. Let's try to flash the custom recovery. Okay, this is just for testing. Okay, let's flash the custom recovery. And let's select this custom recovery for the Oreo one, because we are using the Oreo stock firmware. Okay, we need to roll back. And in this version, we cannot directly flash the custom recovery. We need to flash this anti-RB pass. Okay, it's nothing to do with the instant unlock bootloader. It's how we do it in the Android Oreo for the whyred. Okay, let's flash this one and flash the custom recovery. Then let's put it into the custom recovery. Okay. Okay. Let's wait. And here we go. Now we have successfully installed a custom recovery on our lock Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay. With the code name is whyred. Okay, nice. So from here, you can install a custom recovery. You can install a custom ROM or Magisk or other stuff. Okay. And I hope you like my video. If you find it very useful, please give it a thumb. And I also have lots video about routing, custom ROM, and lots of fun. Okay, especially Xiaomi, Samsung, Realme, Asus, and other stuff. Okay, you can find in my video. Maybe some of the video will be useful for you. Okay, guys, if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make a new video. And that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum.